See, Rojishnu, are you there?
I went to the toilet, sir.
Okay. Please write a plus b whole square formula there. Yeah, a plus b whole square formula is sufficient.
Then I don't have to do a minus b whole square?
Or not necessary, present. See, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? That means if we have a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square. Correct only?
Yeah.
But if we have this formula, 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into, sorry, ax whole square plus 2 into ax times b plus b square. What it will be? A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square, right?
Yeah.
Ax whole square plus 2 times ax into b plus b square is equal to what? See, what is x square plus 2xy plus y square?
X plus y whole square?
Yeah, it is x plus y whole square. Similarly, what is ax whole square plus 2 into ax into b plus b square?
What is it? X plus a whole square?
ax. A means ax only, right?
Yeah. So ax
plus b whole square, right?
Yeah.
If you know this, you can understand this quadratic equation starting formula very easily. First of all, the introduction for quadratic equation is the equation if a not equal to 0. First of all, leading coefficient should not be 0. If a not equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Is called a quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Is called a quadratic equation. It's about quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
You also take the notes also. And the points. See, second point. If, see, write alpha in the place of x, what happens? A alpha square.
Yeah.
Plus b alpha. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Okay?
Yeah.
What is the difference between these two equations? In that equation, x is replaced by alpha, right?
Yeah.
Then alpha is called a root or solution. It has two names. Root or solution of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Whatever number, whatever value, okay, takes place of x, that number or that value is called its solution, right?
Yeah.
Example. What is a quadratic equation? To call a quadratic equation, the x square coefficient should not be 0. You know what do you mean by coefficient? See, it is
Yeah.
3x power 7. It is called power.
Yeah.
3 is called coefficient.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, x coefficient is b.
Yeah.
X square coefficient is a.
Yeah.
C is called constant term. C is called constant term. Okay.
Yeah.
For example, I write an equation, a quadratic equation. It is 3x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. What is the value of a here? That means what is x square coefficient? What is the coefficient of x square? X square coefficient.
Yep, I'm thinking.
3.
So
Three.
must be
That
Three.
is A. Okay. What is B?
7.
7. What is C?
5.
5.
5. Here, A is equal to 0 or A not equal to 0? In this
A not equal to 0.
A not equal to 0. For example, 5x square minus 7 is equal to 0. What is the value of A in this equation? The value of A is
It's 5.
very good. Value of B is
Nothing.
nothing. That means 0. The value of
Yeah.
C is
7. -7.
negative 7. Can we call it a quadratic equation or it's not a quadratic equation?
It is a
Not
quadratic
equation.
equation.
Yeah, it is.
Because A not equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
For example, if we take 7x plus 3 is equal to 0, what is the value of C?
3.
3.
What is the value of B?
0.
B. No. What do you mean by B? B is nothing but x coefficient.
So then
It
what
is
is
called-
it? Oh,
7.
yeah. 7.
B is equal to 7. What's the value of A?
0.
Can we call it a quadratic equation or it's not a quadratic equation?
Not.
It's
No.
not.
No. Because x is
Because A
equal
is.
to 0.
Yeah,
A is
because
equal to
the
0.
coefficient that is A is equal to 0, right? Have you got basic idea about what is called a quadratic equation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
Right.
sir, what is this? I can't understand it. What is this?
What is
this
the
a root?
root, right? I'm telling. Just now I am explaining this. For
No,
example,
so I know what it is, but I'm just saying like I'm noting it all down, so I couldn't understand.
okay, I am telling. Please listen. For example, x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Let us see what happens if x is equal to 3. Write 3 in the place of x.
Then it'll be 9 minus
But
21 plus 12.
Wait. We are finding the value of x square minus 7x plus 12. Tell the value of x square minus 7x plus 12. That means replace x by 3.
0.
Why?
3.
3 square minus 7 times 3 plus 12, right?
Yeah.
The value of 3 square is 9. 7 3 is 21 plus 12. 9 plus minus 21 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Which is equal to this, right?
Yeah.
So this equation is satisfied by 3.
Yeah.
The value which satisfies the equation is called its root. So we
Yeah.
call it 3 is a root of x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Or we can call it a solution also. Root and solution both are same. 3 is a root of x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Or 3 is a solution of x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Hi, students. Yeah, very good. Right. Okay. Have you understood the second point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At most, how many roots that a quadratic equation has? For example, do you know
1,
3
2.
satisfies this equation, right?
Yeah.
4 also satisfies this equation. Let us see what happens when we put 4 in the place of x. X
16
square.
minus 28 plus 12.
16 minus 28 plus 12. Is it equal to 0 or not equal to 0?
Equal to 0.
So, what does it mean?
The quadratic equations always have 2.
3 is the root of this equation. 4 is the root of this equation, right?
Yeah.
There can only
How
be
many,
two solutions.
how many roots are there for this equation? This equation has how many roots? 2 roots. This equation has 2 roots, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I am asking you, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, right? I
Yeah.
am taking one root. X is equal to 2 is the root it. Check it. Is it correct to say x is equal to 2 is the root of it? Very good. May I know your name? Yeah. Please tell your name. Yeah. Check if 2 is a root or not.
Yeah, 2 works.
2 is a root. So I told one root, right? What is another root?
3. 9 minus 15
15.
plus 6.
Yeah. So how many roots that this equation has?
2.
What are those 2 roots?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Very good. Now I am asking x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. I am telling one root. You will tell another root. X is equal to 3 is the root of it. Agree or not?
Yeah.
9.
Because
Yeah.
9 minus 18 plus 9. 9 minus 18 minus 9 minus 9 plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, satisfying.
Yeah.
Please tell other root. In the previous 2 equations, we found 2 roots, right?
It's 4.
4.
4, yeah.
I think that 4 is the root of it. 16 minus 24 plus 9. 16 minus 24 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 9 not equal to 0.
Oh.
So 4 is not a root of it. Rochishnu, can you tell what is the other root of?
6.
6?
No, that's 36 and 36. That's 36 minus 36 plus 9.
Hi,
39.
Madhu. Good
Yeah.
evening.
That's wrong.
Madhushankar. Hi, Madhushankar. Good evening. Yeah. Can you tell the other root of this equation? Same equation. What is other root?
Still thinking, sir.
Rochishnu, can you tell? Madhushankar, can you tell what is the other root of this equation? Which equation x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0?
There's no other answer.
Very good. Who told? How can you say there is no other root?
Because if you can see, if you tried 7 there,
Okay.
and
Very
if
good. Very good.
if you
You're
tried
right.
7 there, then it would be positive. Anything plus a positive number would not equal to 0. 6 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 4 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, 1 doesn't work.
That's good. That's good. So very clearly we can understand that this has 2 roots, right? How
Yeah.
many roots this equation has? This equation has 2 roots.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
equation also having 2 roots. But this equation has only 1 root. How many roots this equation has? Only one root, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm asking one question. Please tell at least one root of this equation, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either positive or negative. Rocheshnu and Tanmay. Try to find the root of the equation. Madhushankar,
Wait, is it x squared plus x?
plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the root of?
Oh.
At least one root. Tell me
Negative 1?
Negative 1. Let us check. Negative 1 whole square. Negative 1 plus 1. Is it 0? Negative 1 whole square is equal to 1. Negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 cancel. 1 not equal to 0. So negative 1 is not a root of it. Very clearly, negative 1 is not a root of it. Can you tell? Thinking deeply?
Yeah.
I don't think it
thinking,
has
sir.
I don't think it has a root.
Yes, very good. You are right. This has no roots. This has no roots. So here we can see 3 kinds of roots. Having no roots, having 1 root only, having 2 roots, right?
Yeah.
So the conclusion is any quadratic equation has at most 2 roots. What do you mean by at most 2 roots?
Which
That
means it
means
can
the
have
most
anything.
root a
Yeah,
quadratic
at most.
equation can have is 2.
We are using at most, not at least, right?
Yeah.
When we use at most means At most two roots means it
That
may
means
have,
it's the most amount of roots
yes,
we
yes.
can get.
He will, it's not having more than two roots, right?
Yeah.
At most means there is no guarantee for having two roots.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
it's
it
the
may have
maximum that maximum.
max number of roots for any quadratic equation is two only. That means
Yeah.
it may have two roots or one root or no roots also, right?
Yeah.
So that's the starting point. The starting point is the third point is we are done. And every day in our notebook, write date and notes also, right? Topic also, right?
Yeah. I have written everything down, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. A quadratic equation. A quadratic equation. Later we will be learning how can we identify whether whether the given quadratic equation has no roots or one root or two roots. There are some formulas. Before that, a quadratic equation has at most two roots. Okay. Now it's very important part of this theory, this explanation. Solving a quadratic equation. Solving a quadratic equation. We are solving a quadratic equation. How to solve a quadratic equation? We are finding formula for it. See, the general form. What is general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is general form of quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
Let's do one thing. Multiply both sides by 4a. Let us see what happens when we multiply both sides by 4a. Very good, Madhushankar. Madhushankar, what is your full name? Please tell your full name. Multiply both sides by 4a. 4a ax square, 4a bx plus 4a c is equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yeah. Shouldn't it be 4a squared x squared?
Yeah, that is called 4a square x square. I would like to write that 4a square x square as 2a x whole square. Agree?
Yeah. Yeah.
2ax whole square is nothing but 4a square x square.
Yeah.
Now, this is 4abx. It
Yeah.
can be expressed as 2 times of 2ax into what? 2 times of 2ax into what is equal to
B.
4axb. Very good. Okay. Now, let us send this plus 4ac to right hand side. It will be negative 4ac, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, it's not completing a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or if we write x plus y whole square formula or p plus q whole square formula, see if we have p square plus 2p square plus 2pq. Is it completed or incompleted?
Incompleted.
How to make it complete? What is
Plus q. Oh.
plus q square? If there is plus q square, we can write it as p plus q whole square, right?
Yeah.
So p square plus 2q required, sorry, p square plus 2pq required q square to complete a plus b whole square formula, right?
Yeah.
In the same way, what is required here to complete a plus b whole square formula? 2ax plus 2a in 2 into 2ax into b. What is required? Here
B
you said
squared. B squared.
very good. That's why add b square on both sides. Is it okay to add b square on both sides? We
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
Yeah, now what about left hand side? 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b plus b square. It is completed a plus b whole square formula.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then
Which
wouldn't
means
it be
which means
2ax
plus
plus
b whole
b?
square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Got it?
Yeah.
Now take square root on both sides. That means send that square to right hand side. What happens when we send that square to right hand side?
It will be 2ax plus b.
Is equal root of
B squared minus 4AC.
minus
B
4AC.
square minus 4AC. Since it is a root, we need to write plus or minus, right? It's very important to
Yeah.
write plus or minus, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't need to write, but here we should write. Yeah. What is that value? 2ax plus b is equal to plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, let's continue. The continuation is right. Send plus b to right hand side. 2ax is equal, if we plus send plus b to right hand side, it will be negative b, right? Negative
Yeah.
b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac.
Oh, and
Last,
that becomes
yeah.
a
Now,
true
yeah, that's good.
quadratic equation.
Therefore, x is equal,
Oh.
bringing the 2a to right hand side, it gives negative b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac
4AC over 2A.
by over 2a. That's it. It is formula. It's very important formula.
Yeah, this is
Key
the
point.
quadratic.
So can I take a screenshot of this?
Yes, tell again.
Can I take a screenshot of this quickly?
Tell again once, sir. What is this? What you are
Can I have
asking?
can I take a
Yeah.
screenshot of this?
Yeah. Right. Copy it. It's very important. Copy.
Yep, finished, sir.
Right. May I clear it?
Yes,
Tanmay,
sir.
did you complete?
Yeah.
Right. Now see, very clearly, just now we have proved that the roots of the standard quadratic equation are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see, if yeah. So, roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal 0 are, what are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal 0? Negative b plus root b square minus 4ac
Over 2A.
over 2a, and another root is negative b plus or minus there. We write plus ones, minus b minus root of
Oh, okay, yeah.
b square minus 4ac by 2a, right?
Sir, can you just write like this?
Plus or minus. In the formula, we write plus or minus, right?
Can we just do this? We would just like do.
That means plus gives one answer, minus gives one answer. I wrote two
So if
answers
we
separate. For
so
example,
if we do if we
see.
do this in the exam, is it fine?
Yeah, okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
But to show the two roots separately, I wrote plus one root minus one root, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us take first root alpha, second root beta. See, second root C. If let us suppose the first root is alpha. If alpha is equal to negative b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to, we call
minus b minus
very good, minus b minus root of b square
b
minus
squared minus 4ac over 2a.
very good, my base over 2a, right? Now let us see what happens when we add these two roots. We are adding these two roots, right?
Yeah.
We are adding these two roots. Then alpha plus beta, that means sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta means sum of the roots, adding these two roots, right? How to add these two roots? Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus second value is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. How to simplify this? Simplify this. LCM is 2a. Okay, common denominator.
Yeah.
Next, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac.
Wouldn't it be minus b minus b?
Yeah, minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac.
Because then you can cancel out these.
Yes,
and
yes, you can cancel negative b. Yeah, very good. After cancellation, we left with minus 2b by 2a. Yeah, minus b by 2a. Very good. Go ahead. Yeah, very good. After cancel, you can cancel 2 also.
yeah, I was about to think about that.
Yes. After cancelling 2, finally,
Minus b over a.
yes, that is formula to find the sum of the roots. Hence, it is very important formula. Hence, sum of the roots is equal to, it is formula to find sum of the roots. Hence, this sum of the roots. Hence, this sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Copy it. After copying it, we will be discussing sum of product of the roots. Very good.
Yeah.
Can I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, we have calculated, we have found the formula to find the sum of the roots, right? Now,
Yeah.
we are finding the formula to find the product of the roots. Product means multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Let us find a formula to find the product of the roots. Now, it is product of the roots. That means then alpha times beta. What is alpha times beta? How to find alpha times beta? Alpha is negative b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a.
That's
By
no.
2a times the second value is negative b minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Can't you cancel out the 2a and 2a?
No. Both are denominator. We cannot
Ah,
like this. A by B into B by C is there. We can cancel BB. To cancel,
yeah.
one must be in the denominator, one must be in the numerator, right? Then only we can cancel. You just multiply. First, let us write denominator. Denominator is 2a times 2a. 2a times 2a is 2a times 2a. Okay.
Yeah.
Numerator
And
is,
then,
did you observe that numerator is
so
in the
then,
form of a minus b, a plus b into a minus b?
so
What is
wouldn't it be different?
C a plus b into a minus b? What is formula for a plus b into a minus b?
So then, wouldn't it be minus b squared? What is it?
Wait.
Minus.
First tell me the formula for a plus b times a minus b. A square minus b square. Perfect. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, right? Likewise, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac into minus b minus root. Yes, you are right. Minus b whole square minus. Yes, you are right. B square minus 4ac whole square. Very good. 2a times 2a. Very good. Now, what's the value of minus b whole square? You know, negative value has a positive power. It will be positive only, right? We can cancel square and root. It becomes very good. Go ahead. Minus b square plus 4ac. Because minus of minus plus 4ac. Yeah, very good. Super. By 2a times 2a. 4a square. Very good. Cancel. What is to be cancelled? No. Not like that. Not like that. When plus or minus is there, we can't cancel like that. In the numerator, what is cancelled? B square cancel. After cancellation, 4ac by 4a square. Yeah, simplify. 4 cancel. After cancelling 4. AC by a square. Very good. Yes. Go ahead. AC by a square means what? You know,
Don't you just
A square means, can we write a square as a into a?
then you can cancel out the a.
Yeah,
So then
answer is
c over a.
very good. Perfect. Now we derived a formula to find the product of the roots, right? Hence, what is formula to find the product of the roots? Hence, the product of the roots.
C over a.
Very good. Hence, the product of the roots is equal to C over A. That's good. It is the answer. It is very important derivation. Copy it.
Wait, sir, one question.
Okay.
From root b squared minus 4ac
Okay.
whole squared. How does this become b squared plus 4ac?
I will tell.
Because it's root, so you can just cancel out the since it's
Yeah,
square, you can just cancel out the root.
wait. What is hmm,
But what
root?
about the 4ac?
Wait. What is root 25 whole square? First of all, tell the
25.
value. Yes. How? First of all, root
Because
25
root
is 5.
25 is equal to 5 and 5 whole squared is 25.
Yeah. That way, simply when we see like this, we can cancel root and square.
Okay, yeah. But what about the 4ac part?
Yeah, easy. Canceling easy. So,
Oh, yeah. Oh, I get it now, yeah.
but some conditions apply. We will be discussing conditions later. But we can say like this, the square root of a whole square is equal to a only. Completed?
Yep.
Can I clear?
Yeah.
Now let us do this calculation. Consider we are doing one calculation. X square minus of alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Let us see
Okay.
what happens. Let us see what happens when we do this, when we perform this calculation. See,
So wouldn't A equal 1?
x square minus, do you remember the what is formula for alpha plus beta? That means sum of the roots.
3 no.
No, we
C
found
over A.
Negative B
no.
over A.
Negative b over a.
Yeah.
Alpha beta is c over a, right? Negative b over
Yeah,
ax plus alpha beta means
C over A.
Negative C over A.
c over
No,
a.
C over A.
Yeah, multiply each term by a.
Which makes it x
A
squared
x
minus
X
squared.
square. Negative times negative positive.
Negative B or B x
Plus
plus
c
C.
is equal to 0. Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Same equation, right?
And then that becomes negative B.
So we can understand this. Therefore, the equation, if roots are given, we can find its equation. If equation is given, we can find roots, both. Okay. So therefore, the equation whose roots are the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation whose roots are the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus sum of the roots into x, alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. If roots are given, we can find the equation. If equation is given, we can find roots. Next, last point. See, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant. What is the use of discriminant? By finding its discriminant, we can justify whether the given equation has a root or no roots or one root, right? In the beginning, we understand that we observe that there are some equations having no roots. There are some equations having only one root. There are some equations having two roots, right?
Yeah.
That is decided by the value of b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. 63. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's
Wait,
called
is this
discriminant.
0?
Yeah. Discriminant. Yeah, it is denoted by delta. If you don't know want, we can remove it also. B square
No, is that delta? Okay.
delta. Yeah, Greek letter delta is used to represent B square is 4 is right.
Okay. Okay, discriminant. Okay.
See the first point. If delta is positive, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two distinct roots. You know what I mean by distinct? Distinct means, in other words, different.
Yeah.
Has two distinct roots. That means two roots are different. Has two distinct roots. Next point. Delta is equal to 0. then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has only one root. Okay, technically it is called roots are equal. Technically it is called roots are equal, but for our understanding, you can say that the quadratic equation has only one root.
Okay.
If delta is negative, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has no real roots. That means if delta is negative, then we can
So
understand.
what is delta, sir?
Yeah, I will.
It's a Greek letter to
Greek letter delta, which means b square means 4ac. Delta means Greek b square means 4ac. It is called discriminant. Has no real roots. I.e., it has complex roots. Technically, it is called complex roots, but generally we call it no real roots. Do you remember when I asked you find the roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0? You tried to find the roots of that equation, right?
Yeah.
You tried to find the roots of that equation, but we understood that this equation has no roots.
yeah.
Okay,
That's
this
because delta is negative.
yeah, very good. Super grasping. How to find delta? Delta formula b square minus 4ac, right?
Yeah.
What is a, what is b, what is c?
A is 1, B
Very
is
good.
B is 1.
A is equal
And
to
C
1,
is
b
1.
is equal to 1, c is equal to 1, right? b
Yeah.
square minus 4ac means b square means 1 square minus 4ac means 4 into 1 into 1. 1
So
minus
negative 3.
4, negative 3, which is negative. Okay. Not only this, for any quadratic equation, if delta is negative, that means if discriminant is negative, that equation has no real roots. Can you give one more example for a quadratic equation which has no real roots? Try to find one quadratic equation which has no real roots. That means you need to create a quadratic equation so that its b square minus 4ac is negative. 2x square plus 1x. Very good, very good. Yes, it's correct, exactly. This quadratic equation has no roots.
Yeah.
Because what is its delta value?
So
1 minus
4
8.
minus.
No, 1 minus 8.
Negative 7.
Very good. That's why it has no roots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once copy this theory. When will you join tomorrow? 4 or 5 or earlier?
Same. What time do you want us to come, sir? What time would you?
Totally free. I am tomorrow. After lunch? 1 AST or 2 AST better.
Mm,
2 AST.
It's a
we
bit
can-
early. Maybe 4.
4 AST. Okay, done.
Yeah, 4.
That means it will be 8:30 PM for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, done. Yeah, these are very interesting. Once, have you copied it?
Yeah, already copied, sir.
Right. Can I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I recommend you whenever you have time, go through this. There is one quadratic equation solver. See, yeah, you give one equation. Just now you told one equation, right?
Yeah, 2x.
Yeah, that means A is equal to B
1.
1.
1, right? So we feed B1. Next C
1.
1.
1. What it says? Can you see
It has
roots?
complex roots. Yeah.
Yeah, I means not, yeah, it has complex roots. Technically, we call it complex roots. That means it has no real roots, right?
Yeah.
Can you give one equation which has roots, having roots?
4, 6, and 3.
Yeah, you first check it. What's the value of A?
4,
4. B value?
6,
6. C value?
3.
How can you tell simultaneously? That means instantly. What's the reason? So it has also no roots. Can you
Hmm.
check? We can check. We can prove that it has no roots because what's the value of delta? Delta is equal
So
to B square minus
36.
4AC. 36 minus 4 into 3. 36 minus 4, 4 are 16, 16, 3 are 48. 36 minus
48.
48, negative 12. That's why it has no roots.
If C is 1, then it would work out.
C is 1. May change C is 1. You want C value 1?
No. So change B value to 7.
Yeah. Have you understood that for having no solution, B should be less than, B should be smaller value, right?
Yeah.
If B is bigger value, B square minus 4AC will become positive.
And wouldn't that make it two?
What's
makes-
the value? What's the value of B?
7.
7. It has roots.
2 roots. One negative
Roots,
1
yeah.
and negative 0.5.
One is negative 1 and another one is negative 0.75, right? Can you create one quadratic equation which has exactly one root? I'm giving hint. I'm giving hint. For example, x square minus 8x plus something. If you fill that blank, which gives only one root. If you submit that equation to it, it will give it will show only one root only. Which number fills that place?
144.
It's very simple number. Not
So try 144.
see. What's the value of A? Clearly A value 1, right?
Yeah.
B value? Negative
4.
8.
Oh.
Negative
Yeah.
8, right?
16.
Yeah, how could you say? Correct only. How can you say it is 16? 16 correct only. See, when we write 16, how many roots it is showing?
Because when it's only as one way, it's delta is equal to 0. And then
Yeah.
so in the b squared minus 4ac, and then when
Is
4
equal
is
to
equal to
0.
1,
Yes,
so
yes.
64 divided by 4.
Correct only. B square means 8 square, 16, 64. 64 minus 4 into 1. Yeah, very good. You got good catch. I'm asking one more question. See, have you verified this? It shows only one root, right?
Yeah.
I'm giving one more question. Let us see. The question is x square minus 10x plus how much? To give to have only exactly one root.
25.
25. Perfect. Correct only. How could you say?
Because 4 times 5 equals 100, and
Yeah,
100
right.
10 squared equals 100.
10 and 25. That's good. Yeah, it has only one root, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's come to the point. Oh, it has gone. Okay. Now, actually, there are multiple methods to solve a quadratic equation. Yeah, yesterday, even yesterday, not yesterday, previous day. Okay, right. Questions are like this. X square minus 28x plus 192 is equal to 0. We need to solve it. Okay. First method 1. It is called factorization method.
Oh, yes.
Solve it by using factorization method. You can do it on the screen also.
Isn't it two things that multiply to negative 28? But
Yes, very good.
but
Product is
19.
192.
How? Oh, 192, yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell? You can do on the screen also.
Mm. So I got it, sir.
Answer.
X minus 2, X minus 16.
That means after that, what should we do?
Oh, isn't it
Which
X
means
can be
x minus.
negative?
See, after that, x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus
So that
16 is
means,
right.
yeah.
Which means x is equal to 12, comma, x is equal to 16.
Yeah.
So the roots of this equation are x is equal to 12, comma, 16.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now, clear?
Yeah.
It is first method. This is called factorization method, right?
Yeah.
Now we are solving the same equation by using formula method.
Yeah.
We have proved one formula also, right? Yeah. Given quadratic equation is very good. X square minus 28x plus 192 is equal to 0. That means A is equal to 1,
Screen.
B is equal to negative 28, C is equal to 192. Yeah, very good. Go ahead. 28 square. Four AC. 4 into 1 into
It's Mitsu, what do I do from here?
Tell again.
What do I do from here?
Okay, 1 second. Tell. What did you tell?
What do I do from here?
Yeah. Find the value of 28 square. To a is equal to 1 only. X square coefficient.
Yeah, so what do I do from here? What do I do from this point?
Yeah. See, let me continue. Yeah, 28 plus 7 root of 28 square 784. Oh, 784 minus 769, 16. Very good, correct only. By 2a. 2a means 2 into 1.
Yes.
28
not
plus
one.
7 is. What's the root of 16?
4.
Right. By 2. Which means 32 by 2. Or 24 by 2. If we use plus, it will be 32.
Oh, yeah.
Answer is 32 by 2 means 16. 25 by 2 means 12 only.
Yeah.
Got it?
Nothing.
Yeah, okay. I will send a question paper
Yeah.
by today's evening containing 25 questions related to basics from basics theory and problems also, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we will be connecting by 4 p.m. IST, right?
Yeah.
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 And practice this and answer that question paper and share our scores separately, right? In the group.
Okay.
Okay, right. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.